want once in my lifetime before 18.
Oh, you're not 18 yet.
No, I'm just 16.
Wrong person.
Yes.
Yes, I do.
Yes.
No.
Sometimes. Once in 2 days, maybe.
Whenever I get free time. Once or twice in a day.
That's it?
Yeah.
Okay.
College ruins it. Like the college timings are damn bad.
Yes, I do.
MILF, Naughty America, then privates. Just hold on. Then Japanese, that was old when I was 6. So leave this. Next.
Once or twice a month.
No.
Definitely. Yes, obviously.
Every day.
Depends on time and depends on a lot of other factors like how you are going through what sort of mood you are in.
I've seen it, if that's what you mean. I don't watch it regularly.
I don't know. Like I've never sat and browsed through like categories and everything. Just seen it a few times. Yeah. No.
I've seen it once or twice.
Once in a week. Not really, but yeah, at times.
This day and age, who does not? You all tell me who does not watch more.
Well, let's just say I'm into kink.
Not Sunny Leone, she's fucked by many. And Sasha Grey.